Yo, what is up, everybody? It is the Crazy Gamers here today, and today we're going to be bringing you another episode of PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. Hi, Donovan.
Why didn't you just simplify that? Hi, world!
Because I can.
Asshole. Let's get started!
You're gonna ready up.
Oh, wait, duh.
Dumbass.
Make me, mom.
I was calling you a dumbass, not telling you to go be... I don't even know. I'm done. Not even 2 minutes into the video and you're already making my brain hurt. This is gonna be a fun episode.
Oh, yes, it is.
Get out.
You get out.
No, you. Yay. That's for the future gag reel.
Yes.
Where do you want to go?
Right
Somewhere relatively close, please.
there.
No.
No. just no.
I like my marker better.
Hey, no, we're not going somewhere highly there, right there, okay? You cool with that? Let's do it. Let's do that.
Fine.
I don't want to go somewhere highly populated, Robbie.
You're gonna say that and watch 10 other people are gonna jump down with us to that spot.
And 20 other people are gonna go to farm. But yeah, you're probably right.
So populated.
Knowing our luck. I learned this cool new trick from
Hey, there's
Rask.
a boat off the coast.
If you go straight down, then you pull your chute a lot closer to the ground.
Yeah.
There's
There's a boat off the coast. We'll go for that after
looting.
we're done in here.
I don't see any other people
Depending
here.
on where the circle is.
Look up. Do you see anybody?
Nope.
Wow. Alright, that was pretty good.
Shotgun.
Oh, please load in. I'm begging you. Oh, police vest, angled foregrip, and a smoke grenade. First aid kit.
I have a shotgun and a frag grenade.
Nice. How far?
Yeah, we're gonna need the boat.
That far, huh?
So let's make it quick-ish.
Yeah, I know, Robbie.
Do you, though?
Yes! I do.
Do you?
Yes.
Oh, fuck. I've got 2 shotguns.
You have 2 shotguns?
I do.
Would you like to share one?
Yes.
Thank you.
Alright.
Where are
2
you?
shotguns and a pistol. I'm in the attic, I'm coming down.
I'm
I also
searching the
got-
big house. If we find an assault rifle, I need one because I have attachments for it.
So do I. Here. How many shells do you want?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I just give me enough to survive on.
Gotta relearn how to play. Haven't played it in a bit.
Yeah, right? Alright,
There's a backpack in here if you don't have one.
I don't, and I do need one.
It's in here.
Where? In there?
Yeah.
Wait,
Bandages.
I thought this was the way out. Nope, this is the way out. Oh, I thought you already came in here.
No, not this house.
Where's the backpack?
I got a cheek pad. That's new.
Oh my god, another four.
Hey,
Dude,
machete.
grab this 4x scope.
Yeah, I know. I'm just getting there.
I mean, I have a red dot holographic AM 4x.
I've got a red dot, 4x scope, vertical foregrip,
There's a fucking
extended
2x
mag,
scope here.
and flash hider.
I have a lot of scopes.
Take it. Take the 2x scope.
I did.
You need to check upstairs.
God, I really need an assault rifle.
Fucking.
An M4 would be wonderful. If I could get an M4, I think we'd be set.
Ooh, bullet loops. Thank you.
I can hear you walking around upstairs. Don't run in the house.
Alright. We should probably get moving.
Yeah, I know. Real quick. Just real quick.
I'll be waiting on the boat.
Alright. Hey, be careful. Don't leave yourself out in the open, dude. Because if you do, I won't be able to make
have a
it.
choice getting to the boat. Make it quick, because I don't know if anybody else is here.
That's what I'm doing, making it snappy.
Alright, we need to go. Come on.
I know. Hold on.
Come on.
Robbie,
What?
I'm trying to find a gun that we can actually use.
We can use these guns.
You know what I mean.
Do I, though?
Yeah, you're a smart cookie.
Cookies? I want cookies.
Oh my god.
Alright, the play area is about to start restricting. Come on.
Yeah, and we've got a boat. Oh, stop driving around.
I'm turning it around.
Really? Alright, last
The
room.
play area is now restricting.
Oh wow, look at that. A good thing I picked that up. I'm gonna put a 4x scope on an S12K. Alright, how do I get out of here?
Please hurry up.
I know, I'm trying to get out. Alright, I'm going. I'm headed towards the boat. I'm actually gonna put a red dot sight on it.
Can you do this when you're in the boat?
No, I was moving while I was doing it.
Actually be in the circle.
I was doing it while I was moving, Robbie, okay? And go. What, you think we're gonna have a problem or not? And there's still 71 other people alive.
Yep.
There's the bridge.
No.
The bridge that signals we're close to the play area.
Oh my god, Donovan. It's a bridge.
Our savior. The bridge. The almighty bridge.
There is a ferry pier. That's where we're gonna head for.
All hail the mighty bridge in the water.
Sean, the non-believer. Sean.
I could totally kill you right now.
Sean, the non-believer.
Don't think I won't.
Sean. Please don't.
You asked
I would
nicely,
like to
so I won't.
win one of these games for once with you.
So would
Look,
I.
another boat. And don't shoot me.
I'm not. I was like, I want to. Robbie, you're being mean. Oh.
Was that you?
No. That was the boat skidding across the land, dude.
We were still in the water when those shots were.
Those weren't shots. I can promise you those weren't shots. They were way too close to be shots.
Alright.
Alright, let's get
Plane.
plane. Drop it now. Now, please, now.
I'm watching it.
Now. No. No.
How about
Fuck
now?
you.
Hopefully this time we don't get held up in a house.
Shut up.
I'm being serious.
I know. Shotgun choke.
The next better weapon we find goes to me because you have an S12K.
Son, if I find an assault rifle,
I would like something besides a shotgun, please.
yeah, you'll get one. Running out of space. I'm carrying too many shotgun
Yep,
shells.
found an AKM.
Found an M4. Don't need as many shotgun shells. If you don't believe me, you can look at the video whenever we post it. I swear I found this right as you found that.
I believe you. You never said I didn't.
I know. You had that sound in your eyes, you know?
What? I should shoot you for that. You know what? That's the name of the video now. Sound in your eyes.
Sound, yes!
By the way, I found a first aid kit.
Why can't I zoom
trying to
in?
get through this window. I don't know, but I just found more bandages.
Can you zoom in through your scope?
Let me check. You need to tap the trigger, dummy.
Wait. No. No. Where's that configuration?
I don't know.
Oh my god. It switched
But
up on us.
I need to change it too.
We can't. That's a shotgun. That's the shotgun I dropped.
Yeah, it is. Take that ammo though.
Yeah, take it. Ooh, level 2 helmet. Okay, that's gonna get really annoying.
What?
Actually, I want to put the scope on my S12.
I have another 4x scope, just so you know.
Yeah, I have a spare 2 times with a hollow
we
red
should
dot
probably
and
get
4
moving.
times. Yeah, agreed.
We don't need a vehicle or anything right now, but it's just best to start fucking moving.
Just
We don't
skimming.
have
Just
time to
skimming.
search.
Just skimming. There's ammo for your guns here.
Hold on. I'm getting this house up here.
I don't want to switch the
Ooh,
gun.
crossbow.
Trust me, it's not as good as it sounds.
I'm taking it because I don't have another secondary, because I don't have another primary weapon.
Okay.
Oh wait, yes I do. Fucking give me my shotgun back.
Alright, let's move now. How far do we have to... We don't have to go far. Actually, What are we hurrying for? We don't have to go far.
Yeah, but we only have like a minute and a half. And the circle is literally like right behind us.
You go up, I'll go down.
This was not searched yet. But nothing good. Alright, we have a minute to be in that circle. So let's go.
You want an SK-12?
No, I'm good.
Alright. Well, I'm dropping 12 gauge.
I've got 57 shots. I'm good. I'm waiting for you here at this tree
I know.
before we cross the road. I hate the demons in my household.
Shut up.
I'm not kidding.
No, you don't have the right to say that.
Dude, when I came back from the auto show last weekend, you know the way my room is set up where I have the attic stairs in my room? I heard fucking like 4 or 5 heavy footsteps coming down the steps, and I just heard a loud-ish bang, heavy bang on the door. Fuck you.
Do you know what you did to me a year and a half ago?
I didn't do that. I did not send it there. I did not tell it to go there. That was not on me.
Touche.
Why are you slowing down?
Put a red dot sight on my scar. Yeah, I think we're
Okay.
pretty well prepared.
Yeah, not bad.
Why didn't you want
Let's
the
keep moving
SK-12?
forward. Because I've got an assault rifle, I've got an AKM and a shotgun.
Oh, well.
Long range and short range. I'm good.
I mean, we both know how good the Scar L is at short range.
Scanning that house, those houses before we go in.
That's what I'm doing.
Get up to that tree and stop. Oh, I thought you were further.
You see that left house right there? The one that's like completely dark red?
At 290-ish?
Yeah.
Ah,
I've been shot.
Being shot.
Where? Where are you?
Behind. I'm down. Over here. They're right in front of me.
Oh.
They're right in front of me. I'm looking at them.
I couldn't.
Damn it.
I couldn't with the controller scheme. I meant to zoom in and I only zoomed I didn't zoom into my scope fast enough.
Damn it. Alright, next game.
Yep. God damn it.
Just to mix it up a bit, should we try first person?
Do you want to?
I'm down for it.
I mean, I'm changing.
Just to try it.
Where do I? We can't.
You have to do that in game.
Why didn't?
Do it when we get in the lobby.
I didn't.
Just ready up.
I thought we could only. Then why wasn't it showing up? I was pausing and it was going to my inventory.
So I think you need to hold start or something. Hold on.
Yeah, I haven't played PUBG in a while. It's been like a week.
Yeah, you hold start.
Okay.
Yeah,
Settings.
Type B.
Type B. I don't know why the fuck you
why
switched.
did it change?
I don't know.
Maybe with the new update it reset.
Yeah, possibly.
Excuse me.
Nice.
Thanks.
Alright. Alright. You ready? My turn.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no, I picked last time. It's your turn, my dude.
Yep.
Farm?
Yep.
Alright.
Now. Ah, shit. What the fuck? Game, what the fuck?
What?
My game just had a heart attack and was spinning me around in circles.
That's what mine did. Farm's right here, I believe. Farm is not right there. Farm is
To your left.
right there. That's farm. Come on, let me be going fast enough. I didn't get enough down. Is
I'll
it?
hit the one with the long black roof.
Alright, well then I'll hit this one. I want to remain relatively close to each other.
Stay close. Yeah.
Because, I mean, I don't see other people coming here, but we know they're coming here. Yeah, they're coming here. They're coming here.
Alright. Got a shotgun.
I saw 2 land. That's it, though. As far as we know.
Level 3 military vest. Alright.
God damn, dude. I don't know how to get into this house.
I'm taking the other shotgun because I don't want other people to have it.
True that, true that. Found a level 2 backpack, though.
We're in the circle.
It's good, we don't have to run.
M416.
Oh, come on, game. What?
I got an M416.
Nice. I got a shotgun.
Alright, I'm coming over to you. After I check these little... I do not
Take
have
those.
a backpack, though.
I do.
Or a pistol. Smoke grenade. I'll take that.
What's in this house? What's in this room? Oh yeah, I'll take that. Now, what is this? I have a suppressor on my mini Uzi.
Alright. Nice! What's in this little building? Nothing?
Alright, let's go over here. Sneak up on them, though.
Is this where they landed?
Yeah. In these houses. See, the doors are open.
Alright. They crouched. Let's hit them. Let's hit the same house together, because... Oh, thank God. The aim is fixed now.
Yeah.
That is so much better. Holy shit. You know how many times I could have survived if that shit didn't fuck me over?
Wait, what do you mean by the aim is fixed? Found him!
Move it. Move. 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 Let me make this quick.
What you have?
I need a backpack. Damn it, he didn't have one.
Yeah, I did. Level 1 backpack.
I'm guessing you took the S12K. Good.
Well, looks like I'm the silent guy.
Have a hollow sight.
Thank you. I don't see it. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. I have a suppressor on my SK12.
Good. I'll think out a pistol.
You want a quick draw mag for that?
I have it. I picked it up.
Okay. And what do you mean? What do you mean the aim is fixed?
For me, it was fucking up. Remember? Because it. Now I can actually hold the trigger to aim down, not just.
Oh, well, no. Okay, you were mentioning that you could have survived so many times. I thought you were talking about like this was a constant thing.
I could have survived so many times if it wasn't like that.
Alright, so his friend still...
It was me.
Okay. Where are you, friend of dead person? I swear we're friends of Harrogate. Harrogate? No, I said that. Hagrid! Shit.
Level 3 backpack. Alright.
Damn it. You're just full of... I get the level 3 mask if we find one. Alright, let's go through this way,
Yep, I know.
Okay. I'm looking upstairs.
Alright.
Clear. Hallway clear. Balcony clear.
Bathroom's clear.
Level 1 vest.
You take it.
Alright, everything's clear. You must have run off. Alright, let's go. That better be you running around.
It is.
Alright, let's see if we can finish off the search. What's going on?
Smoke grenade.
Oh, he got me. That was my bad.
Where is he?
He's on the other side of the wall.
I killed him.
That was my bad. I shouldn't run after him. Damn it, it's Donovan. I saw him, but I shot him in the head like 3 times with the S12. Take the suppressor I had, okay?
Yeah, I know.
You're not doing so hot, are you?
No. I have bandages, though. Or at least I thought I did. That must have been from last game. Great.
Yeah, I don't understand that, dude. I mean, I pumped him full of lead. I know I did.
I should probably see what he has.
Yeah. What did he have that was so good? That's me. No, that's him. Yeah, that's right. That's him.
Bandages. I'm gonna use those real quick.
Bandaging wounds.
Foregrip. Suppressor on my pistol. Coat. He had a Scar L.
That's a great close quarters. That must be why. That must be how he killed me, because he had a scar.
Yeah.
Are you not gonna take it?
No, I'm not. Because this weapon is just about fully modded. And I like having a shotgun on me at all times.
Okay. Let's see how far Robbie can make it on his own. Damn it. I honestly thought you were right behind me.
He almost killed me too. If I didn't get behind the wall, he would have killed me.
Well, how did you kill him?
Alright. I shot him with my shotgun and peeked around the corner.
Oh, okay. Good player.
What, me?
Oh, you and him. He nearly took out both of us solo.
Yeah. And then the level 3 vest.
You have a level 3, didn't you?
Yeah, why not? If I took damage, that mean that vest was damaged, so
Oh.
might as well switch to a better one.
Yeah, right? Huh.
Don't need that. Don't need that.
Ah, man. Alright, Robbie. You got half the population to survive against. If you survive against that, you win.
Yeah, don't say it like that.
What? I mean, you got 50 people to survive against. It's not that much.
Shut up. You're not helping. In a team of duos, it's a lot.
Yeah, that's true. Shot.
Yep. Goes to my southeast. Now just to my... Yeah, still southeast, but... Alright, I'm still in the circle. Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. The pen!
What?
The pen.
Oh, my bad. I was too busy looking at the map.
Oh, my shoulder twitched. Ow.
You only got 30 bullets for that gun.
No, I have a lot more. I have 111
Oh my god.
and 60 in my shotgun.
Damn, Robbie. What, you think? Did you see someone?
No, but I want to move into a house.
Okay. You gotta make it across the bridge, man.
Not yet.
Bridge o' death. Wait, or do you? No, you don't have to cross the bridge. Never mind. Screw what I said.
Oh, thank God. No, there's no point. Cancel the med kit.
Why is there no
Use the
point?
bandage. Because it wouldn't bring me up to full health. Med kit does. I use a bandage, get me up to what I can.
Oh, okay. Oh my god. Is that an assault rifle compensator?
Yeah, but I already have one. Shotgun choke, though.
Nice.
hello.
You might enjoy shotguns, but... Oh my god. There you go. There you go, Robbie. An 8x scope. That's perfect.
Yep.
Your M4 is now complete.
Yep.
Let's show the audience what that zoom looks like. There you go.
Oh god. I didn't even know that.
I already know what a 16x scope looks like.
That's a thing.
That is a thing.
I didn't know that was a thing in this game.
It's 16, 12, or 10. I can't remember, but they can be found in care packages.
Who is over there?
I can see you perfectly with this. Hey, you thought that was a person too?
For a second, you'd never be too safe.
Right. Hey, that's where I died. Alright, they're gonna come in, so yeah, get you. There's two of them, Robbie. You're not gonna do it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
What about not doing it?
Oh my god. No, you're just as surprised as I am. They opened that door right as you vaulted out. Look to your right. Look to your right. There's one in there.
Just tell me I don't have to go far. Shit.
Oh, complete opposite side of the map. You should steal their buggy.
I can find it.
Yeah, I'll get your shotgun out.
I can only assume it's on the other side of this house.
Well, your assumption was...
Shut up. Oh my god.
Oh, no, not a good idea.
Damn it! I'm actually upset about that. I'm not mad, I'm upset. Fucking... Fuck, dude! Next time that happens to you, I'm gonna be laughing my ass off. No matter
Yeah,
how
I know
mad
you are, Robbie.
so
We're
you know.
best friends. It's what we do, okay? So you can stop with
I'm
that.
gonna make you fucking regret laughing at me, because right now
Really?
I'm not in the mood
Really,
for that
Mr.
shit.
Gold Stealer? Really, Mr. Uno? Shut your mouth, alright? You laugh at my rage. You know you do.
Alright guys, well, I think that's it for this video. I'm really, actually, I'm pissed about that. Fucking hills, man.
Right.
You know what? That's my worst enemy now. Whenever I see a hill, I'm just gonna fucking give this evil monkey stare at it. That's what I'm gonna do from now
I'll
on.
make sure to
Every
laugh
time I see a hill.
whenever he's being too stupid
Yeah.
not to realize you can't go over a hill with a car.
Dude, you would have thought that you could have gone over
No,
that.
not since the
People
new
shooting at
update.
you,
Not
panicking.
since the new update. The new update completely obliterated any advantage a car had.
I know.
It's
I hate it.
stupid.
But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff. What do you have to say?
Yeah, just do what Robbie says. If you like our content, please do give us your commentary. We do appreciate it.
Yep, and give us suggestions on games we can play. I'm gonna be starting a Sims 4 Let's Play soon, so I have high hopes for that one. Yeah, well, we are
will,
the Crazy Gamers.
Real quick, yeah, we will.
Go
We're
ahead.
not gonna be binging, like different series. Like we want to finish a few before we go into a new one.
Yeah, exactly.
Otherwise,
That's
it's
why you're doing Layers of Fear.
yeah.
Because you and I both know what you're starting after that, right?
Yep. We're not gonna tell them. You'll just have to wait to see.
No. Yep. Alright, well, we are the Crazy Gamers, and we will see you guys in the next one.